take care of my brother. Yeah, you. Yeah, I got to take care of my brother. I gotta take care of Brady. I gotta take care of you. Yeah, 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 yeah. How much I need to do? I sometimes need to change his diapers. And I need to settle on your life. 1, 2, 3. How much I